Hey friends, it's Naz. Welcome back to the channel. Happy 2025. I pray this year is full with nothing but blessings. I pray all of your prayers come true. Lots of prosperity. I just feel like this is going to be a good year. It's going to be a good year for us. Apologies about my absence. Hey! But we're back into the swing of things now in the new year. I also did not forget about the 1K giveaway. Check the comments for like all of the instructions and everything. There's gonna be 2 winners, so make sure you enter. Thank you all so much again for 1,000 subscribers. That's crazy. We just restarted this channel and I'm excited to see where it goes this year. I have a lot of fun videos planned for this year, and yeah. Today's video is going to be all about lash clusters. I get so many questions about these specific lashes that I always wear. So many comments, so many questions. So we're getting into all the details today. Today I'm going to be using the Bordermeister. I still don't know how to say these. I get these from Amazon. They're literally $10. So good. They last me about a week. Sometimes the outer corners will come out because I'm a teary-eyed girl, but they're so good. They're so natural, and I do like a cat eye situation from 10 to 14 to complement my eyes. And then this is the Bond and Seal I use. I will have everything linked in the description. It's just a random brand on Amazon. Then also Bordermeister tweezers. They're little small ones that I really like, and these kind of like thick tweezers, these little longer tweezers that I like to use. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Hello friends, so you always want to start off with a clean lid. I like to use a makeup wipe and just make sure like none of my skincare is on my eyelids. Make sure there's no oils, because if there is, your lashes just aren't going to stick to them. And also, who wants dirt under their lashes? These are the tweezers that I use. I really like them, and I have a similar pair linked in the description. And this is the Bond and Seal I use. First, we're going to go in with the Bond side. And I like to do a couple coats on my lashes, and I focus it on the base of my lashes. And I make sure to not go too close to my waterline, because if it gets in your eye, it will literally burn. But yeah, I kind of coat my lashes all throughout. My lashes are a little bit longer, so like the inner corner ones, I don't put it like all the way to the top, just focusing on the bottom. And then I start on the outer corner. I put a 14 cluster, and I like to like tap it with the base of my tweezer, and then I go in with the 12. And you want to make sure your lashes are right next to each other, because if you have gaps, it's just gonna look spacey. And then this is another 12, also putting it on the waterline, but not too close to the waterline so that it's like in my eye and irritating. Then we have another 12, and then lastly I'm going to put a 10 on the inner corner. And as you can see, I don't go all the way in just because my eyelashes are a little longer and it matches the 10. So then I'm going to go with those longer tweezers I showed y'all at the beginning, and I'm going to squeeze my lashes with the lash clusters to make sure everything sticks together. I used to put the seal like on the tweezers and squeeze, but sometimes it was just too sticky and they would come off, so I just squeeze without that one. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, a 14, 12s in the middle, and then a 10 on the inner corner. Again, making sure there's no gaps between your lashes, and also putting it right at the base of your own lashes. And when you put them under your lashes, it looks way more natural, like they literally look like lash extensions. And then putting that 10 in the inner corner, making sure that it's stuck like all the way at the bottom. Then we're gonna go through and squeeze one more time. Then this is when I go in with the seal, and I like to put it at the base of my lashes to make sure everything is sealed together. And then once that completely dries, I'll go back in with the longer tweezers and squeeze everything together. And I think that's really how I get my lashes to last so long. But this is the final result. These are so easy, so quick to do. I think they are so cute and so natural. These are our final results. Love these lashes down. Make sure you go to the description to find the link to the lashes so you can buy them. I literally have these on the subscribe like situation on Amazon, so to make sure I never run out. If you use them, let me know how you like them. But I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.